Is GTII stock going next? Should you buy, sell, or wait on Global Tech Industries Group stock? Sitting at 55 cents, like we're going to get at the root of the problem. Okay, this is where a lot of people screw up. Looking at Global Tech Industries, if I go to the performance tab, you're going to see that we're 64% down from the start of this year, till right now. If I actually start to see my confirmations, this is a decent area from where we can actually go bullish. Now, look at it this way. This is a good support area where a lot of people are thinking as support, but this was like basically the last downside moves that we've gotten from the hedge funds before anything happened. We came back multiple times into this zone. So I mean, genuinely think we might actually just take out the lows because there is a lot of liquidity right here. But for me to be bullish technically and just following my strategy that has shown to work for me in the last 1 year, accumulating me thousands of wins. I've tested it for like 13,000 videos on this YouTube channel. But if we start to shift on the weekly above this high right now, right, this is going to be the high, then for me, this is a bullish prediction, like straight up just expecting the $9 highs to get cleared if we close with a full candle close above this high. Now this is based on my previous 13,000 videos made and everything, so this is just my perspective. If you want to check out my free course, you can go ahead and check out the first link in the description, 100% free.